Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Maryssa here. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. So today's video is going to be a wash day routine on my natural beautiful curls. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to this video and turn on your notification bell. So today's video I will be featuring CurlMix. Shout out to CurlMix for sending me their products. They sent me 2 boxes. So the first box came with the actual products and a little pamphlet with all the beautiful natural girls on it. It comes with a shampoo, conditioner, moisturizer, and a gel. And on there you can follow them and get 10% off with a code. They also sent me a cute little brush, a CurlMix brush for detangling. Super nice. I mean, this really makes your curls look good. And then also they sent me a beautiful misting water bottle. I love this water bottle so much. It's probably my favorite from now on. And they sent me a cute little bag, I assume, for all my products to go in. So in today's wash day video, I'm only going to be featuring steps 1 and 2 of the CurlMix kit, which step 1 is the pure aloe vera shampoo, and I got the watermelon scent, by the way. And then step 2 is the pure grapeseed conditioner. Now, let's go ahead and get started with this wash and go. Y'all, my hair was so tangled. Literally, it's been like 2 weeks since I washed my hair. Okay, let's get this shower going so we can really get to washing. So the first thing I'm going to do is just literally completely saturate my hair with water. And by the way, I am following the CurlMix method. You can look on their pamphlet when you receive their products, and it shows you exactly how you should do the steps of the wash and go system. So again, I'm just going to totally saturate my hair with water, get it soaking wet. I mean soaking wet, like no joke, okay? And now we're about to get into the shampoo. I was having some difficulty opening this at first, but then I figured it out. And so the shampoo, it came out just like a normal shampoo pretty much. Very light consistency. And when I tell y'all, it literally smells just like watermelon, literally. And I believe they do have 4 fragrances. I just chose the watermelon fragrance. So in order to wash my hair, y'all know this, y'all should know this at least. Use your shampoo on your scalp. Massage it into your scalp thoroughly. As you can see, I went in with more shampoo because originally I felt like it wasn't lathering enough, but it began to lather after a little bit. So I'm just going to scrub my scalp using my finger pads, not using my nails, so that I don't, tear my scalp and everything. But yeah, I'm just going all throughout my hair. I'm not sectioning it at all. I'm just literally massaging it through my scalp. Then I'm going to rinse out the first go through of shampoo, and then after that I'm gonna go back in with shampoo again, just to make sure the shampoo lathers up enough and my hair feels just nice and clean like I like it. So now moving on to step 2, I am going to section my hair because I'm about to start conditioning my hair. And y'all know when it comes to conditioner, you have to have sections. So again, this is the pure grapeseed conditioner, step 2 of the CurlMix wash and go kit. And the conditioner smells just like the shampoo. It's a little bit thicker consistency. And so I'm just going to start working with my first section. Now, I'm going to be honest, when I first applied the conditioner to my hair, it didn't give me the slip that I was used to with other conditioners, right? But I found that when I would use a whole bunch more product, like a whole bunch more of their conditioner, the grapeseed conditioner, it did start giving me that slip and I was able to detangle my hair. But yes, at first, y'all, it was kind of difficult. I was like, ooh, baby. And y'all know my hair was tangled, honey. It's been 2 weeks since I washed it, so I was really needing that. So I don't know if it was because my hair was so tangled or what, but yeah, so once I just started putting more conditioner, it started to give me that slip I was looking for. And what I'm going to do here is just create another section just so that I can thoroughly like get that conditioner all throughout my hair, add as much product as I need. I'm so silly. But yeah, just add as much product as I need, and then I'm going to start detangling. But what I like to do first is just finger detangle and get the product through each section first. Then after getting all of the conditioner through the whole entire head, I go back in to each of those sections and comb it out with a wide tooth comb. So y'all gonna see exactly what I did. I just go through the sections, put the conditioner through, twist it, and then I go back in again and actually comb it through. Okay, so after putting all the conditioner throughout the entire head, like I told y'all, I'm just about to detangle. So my hair is looking all cute and luxurious, you know, just needs some detangling. So I basically use my fingers, right? I go through, pull it through, and just detangle it as good as I can with my fingers before I actually go in with the comb. And now, when you comb your hair, when you detangle, y'all know this, you have to start from the ends, get all those kinks out of your hair, and then you can go through the entire section with the comb. And like I told y'all, I definitely was able to comb through eventually. It still wasn't, like the conditioner still wasn't as thick as I was used to, but I just made it work and I was still able to detangle my hair. And yeah, y'all, that's just pretty much it for right now, going through each section and detangling. So once I had the conditioner all throughout my hair, I just kind of let it sit there for a little bit and just allow my hair to get hydrated. And that's the little ball. That's how much shedding I had. Not too bad for 2 weeks. So yep, that's all right now. I'm just going to rinse all that conditioner out of my hair. Make sure it's nice and thoroughly rinsed out. You know, you don't want to leave any of the product left in your hair, just so that your scalp won't be dry, you know, all of that. So now I'm just going to pin my hair up, take my shower, honey, and make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video, which will be steps 3 and 4 of the wash and go kit. So that brings us to the end of this video, y'all. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I used steps 1 and 2 of the CurlMix system. And by the way, this is the finished result, okay? This is after. This is the after fact. Y'all see this? This is after using steps 1, 2, 3, and 4. Also in the other video, I do go through how I apply the products, step 3 and 4, which is just the moisturizer and the gel. And I show y'all exactly how to apply the products and exactly how I got this look. I just want to point out that this is a black owned business. Shout out to y'all. Thank you, CurlMix, for sending me these again. And I just love the packaging. It's legit. Like, the smell is good. The smell is wonderful. Alright, y'all, that's pretty much it. Again, I hope you enjoyed going through my wash day with me. Once you're done watching this video, make sure you go ahead and watch my next video for using steps 3 and 4 of the wash and go kit, okay? If you want to check out CurlMix wash and go system, click the link down below. I will leave that as well. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Maryssa.w. It'll be here on the screen and down below in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment, and turn on your notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Sorry, that was my dog. Bye.